Welcome to WebStarPress. If you're a web developer, use a good code editor like Visual Studio Code. Using Visual Studio Code, you can do a lot of work in less time by using extensions and integrated tools. It helps you in many areas. Even if you use it regularly, you may be missing few areas that can increase productivity and save your time. For example, in this JavaScript file, if I type rafce, it gives me React arrow function export component. This is because I have installed React Snippets extension in Visual Studio Code. If I type useEffect, it gives me useEffect hook snippet. And here in HTML, if I type B5 for Bootstrap 5, it gives me access to Bootstrap 5 code snippets to select from. If I type colon, it gives me emojis to use. And not just this, if I right click at this document and select command palette or use Ctrl+Shift+P keys, I can type here and access certain actions like remove empty lines from document or format document or Minify or fix all auto-fixable problems, an ESLint extension feature, or compile SAS files, or toggle autosave. This is not by default. This is because I have installed useful extensions in Visual Studio Code that helps me solve complex issues, increase productivity, and save time. These are extensions. This is an extension for emojis, and this is extension to write better comments. Bootstrap 4 snippets, Bootstrap 5 snippets, snippets for React, ESLint extension, Minify extension, remove empty lines extension, and you can install more extensions by searching from here. Basically, whatever you are working in, search it in extensions area. You will find something that will help you in that area. After you install extensions, you'll be able to access their functions and commands via command palette or by typing some short code in file. So this is how you can make Visual Studio Code help you in almost everything that you want to do by using it. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.